Are you looking for a video on how to identify significant figures? Then this video is right for you. So without much further ado, let's begin. Hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ROWEL CARPIO, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to present to you how to identify significant figures. What are significant figures? Significant figures are the digits of a number that are meaningful in terms of accuracy and precision. So how do we identify significant figures? The following rules can help us identify whether each digit of a given number is significant or not. Number 1, all non-zero digits in a number are significant. So for example, 567 has 3 significant figures because the 5, 6, and 7 are non-zero digits and they are all significant digits. Number 2, 3.4 or 3 and 4 tenths has 2 significant figures because the 3 and the 4 are non-zero digits and therefore they are significant digits. Let's have number 2 rule. All zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. For example, 8,902 has 4 significant figures because the 0 is significant because it is found in between the digit 9 and 2, which are non-zero digits. Number 2, 90,106 has 5 significant figures because both zeros are found in between two non-zero digits. That's why they are also significant, just like the non-zero digits. Rule number 3, all leading zeros are not significant. When we say leading zeros, these are the zeros that can be found in front. Let's say number 1, 506,000 has 3 significant figures because the first 0 is not significant because it is found before the non-zero digit. But this second 0 here is significant because it is found between two non-zero digits as stated in rule number 2. Example number 2, 7,000 has 1 significant figure. All the zeros before the digit 7 are not significant because they are leading zeros or the zeros before the non-zero digit. So in other words, it is only the digit 7 that is significant in this number. Let's have number 4 rule. Trailing zeros to the right of decimal are significant. Trailing zeros, these are the zeros that can be found after the non-zero digit. For example, 1.500 has 4 significant figures because the 2 zeros are found after the decimal point. So although the 2 zeros are not found in between two non-zero digits, but the zeros are found after the decimal point. So therefore, these 2 zeros are also significant. That's why 1.500 has 4 significant figures. Let's have number 2. 0.0060 has only 2 significant figures because the 3 zeros before the 6 are not significant because they are leading zeros, but the 0 after the 6 is significant because it is found after the decimal point and after the non-zero digit. Next, under rule number 4, we have here rule number 4a, trailing zeros in a whole number with decimal point shown are significant. So if you have 150.00, this number has 5 significant figures because these 3 zeros are also significant. Letter B, trailing zeros in a whole number without the decimal point shown are not significant. So, the decimal point is a determining factor whether the trailing zeros are significant or not. So in the case of 15,000, since there is no decimal point, so meaning to say that 3 zeros are not significant. Therefore, 15,000 has only 2 significant figures because it is only the digit 1 and the digit 5 that are significant digits. Let's have number 5. For a number in a scientific notation, n times 10 raised to the power of a, all digits representing by n are significant, while the base 10 and the exponent a are not significant. For example, 6.05 times 10 raised to the power of 8 has 3 significant figures because the significant digits are 6, 0, and 5 only, while 1, 0, and 8 are not significant. Number 2 example, we have here 4.0061 times 10 raised to the power of negative 17 has 5 significant figures, and these significant digits are 4, 0, 0, 6, and 1, while the 10 and the negative 17 are not significant. Now let us have exercises. Let us answer this question. Round off 300.4 or 304/10 to 3 significant figures. Based from the given rules, the 300.4 has 4 significant figures because the 2 zeros are found between 2 non-zero digits. Now, we are going to round off this one and make these 3 significant figures. So, since this is 4, so we are going to drop the digit 4. So, when we drop the digit 4, since 4 is less than 5, so therefore we are not going to add 1 to the digit 0 found in the ones place. So when we round off 300.4 to 3 significant figures, it will give us 300 and decimal point, because 300 without the decimal point will give us only 1 significant figure, while 300 with decimal point after the last 0 will have 3 significant figures. Let's have example number 2. Round off 45,678 to 4 significant figures. Based in our rule, 45,678 has 5 significant figures. So we are going to drop this 8, and since 8 is more than 5, so we are going to add 1 to 7. So we'll have 45,600, and this 8 will be replaced with 0. So 45,680 without the decimal point, so that it will give us 4 significant figures only. The moment we are going to put here decimal point, it will give us 5 significant figures. So there you have it, how to identify significant figures. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.